The prospering blockchain innovation and digital currencies biological system overall has loads of organizations, entertainers, and new items drifting in its fringe market. There are a ton of crypto trade organizations and items in the market spraying, developing, and afterward suffocating in their own item lifecycle. Further, to have a wide point of view toward one such organization, let us test more into the distance of altcoin Heavenly Lumens. Here you get insights regarding XML and Heavenly Lumens value expectation and specialized investigation. Outline of Xlm Value Expectation. Heavenly Lumens, XLM, is the local cryptographic money of Heavenly, a blockchain stage that permits the trading of computerized to government-issued money. It is an altcoin digital money exchanging under the image XLM on exchanging trades. Heavenly Lumens, XLM, was first presented in the year 2014 and from that point forward it has been in the rundown of top 20 cryptographic forms of money according to the most recent examination report of September 2020. Heavenly Lumens, XLM, is the coin that is utilized on the Heavenly organization's blockchain stage. Presently, the XLM cost is roughly $0.2082. Similarly, any remaining altcoins even Heavenly Lumens, XLM, one side enjoy their own benefits, for example, quick, fast, rapid, practical, simple cash trade, effectively open, decentralized stage, completely straightforward framework, consistent exchange conceivable, and so on. On the opposite side, it has its own detriments too, for example, mining is unimaginable as it doesn't utilize the verification of work framework, not generally acknowledged as an installment technique. A verifiable information of Heavenly Value Expectation. The cost of XLM cryptographic money according to reports of October 2020 XLM was $0.0796 or $0.0800 approximately as to test into XLM coins history and future cost specialized investigation information, gauges as well as Heavenly cost expectations information, soon not long after its underlying coin offering, ICO. On September 15, 2014, the XLM cost was $0.003, after which, it performed severely and was at its most minimal in at $0.001. Once more, in mid-2018, XLM's worth arrived at an unequaled high yet a short spike of 94 cents approximately yet again after the untouched brief spike in mid-2018. Heavenly Lumens cost fell into a negative circumstance and again before the year's over, it had fallen more than by over 90% for example to 9 cents and remained practically in a similar reach for the entire year, at max with the high 16 cents in the year 2019. Excepting which the year 2019 was unimaginably terrible for Heavenly Lumens cost in lieu of execution, market cap and furthermore acquired awful execution notoriety on the lookout. After such an intense cost fall, the vast majority of the Heavenly Lumens cost investigators believe that this crypto is dead. When contrasted with 2018 and 2019 Heavenly cost forecast, the presentation of Heavenly Lumens cost somewhat worked on in mid-2020 however again during this worldwide pandemic it fell again to its low of 3 cents, yet it was still essentially more important than in the several years of its presence. Afterward, XLM checked sharp spike and crossed obstruction level of 20 cents mark. Somewhat recently, the money enlisted consistent development in the middle between transitory revisions. As of late, the XLM coin recorded another high at $0.9381, however later, it checked sharp decay and revised underneath $0.2914 mark. Cost expectations for Heavenly XLM is an incredible present moment in long-haul speculation. Continuously 2027, the anticipated XLM cost is $0.8047. Consequently, one can purchase Heavenly XLM. The Heavenly XLM cost will increment enormously throughout the following couple of years. Toward the finish of 2024, the normal value expectations is supposed to be around $0.404234. In view of future XLM value, the digital money has been showing a rising propensity and consequently, it very well might be a wise venture counsel choice in the long haul. The future cost of Heavenly XLM is anticipated at $0.46605702 over the course of the following 5 years. In this way, the pattern in MACD recommends that despite the fact that the coin has consistently seen high points and low points, since November 2021 the pattern line is confronting a drawback. Further, hardly any other monetary conjecture organization and monetary administrations estimate that after right around 5 years of battle the exchanging volume, development, and Heavenly coin cost share / XLM's value target will see a record-breaking high toward the finish of 2022. Heavenly value expectation for the following 5 years. Heavenly Lumens cost forecast 2022. According to the viewpoint of the business specialists and examiners of this field of digital money, costs as well as the monetary biological system foresee that financial backers can view XLM cost to USD as an altcoin that will give uninvolved speculation returns. Taking a gander at the cost examination history and Heavenly Lumens cost estimate, it very well may be expressed that the Heavenly XLM cost might spring up as a surprisingly strong contender in the race. There is hypothesis as well as future Heavenly Lumens cost forecast that its significant increment over the course of the last year expresses that Heavenly Lumens cost can be projected to be in the high of 25 cents, 30 cents in 2022, and when 2025 comes, the Heavenly cost could go up and reach 35 cents. 45 cents. Heavenly Lumens Value Expectation 2022. The Heavenly cost is anticipated to contact 29 cents toward the finish of 2022. The anticipated high for 2022 may be around 30 cents, and on the drawback, the low may be around 26 cents. Heavenly Lumens Value Expectation 2023. The Heavenly Lumens could proceed with the vertical pattern, and toward the finish of 2023, it would have the option to contact the Heavenly cost of 33 cents. The anticipated high for 2023 may be around 34 cents, and on the disadvantage, the low may be around 28 cents. Heavenly Value Expectation 2024. According to the Heavenly Lumens expectations for 2024, the money could contact 36 cents before the year's over. The anticipated high for 2024 may be around 34 cents, and on the drawback, the low may be around 26 cents. XLM Value Expectation 2025. According to the XLM cost expectation for 2025, the coin could contact the high of 44 cents, while on the drawback, it could fall up to 36 cents. According to our forecast,